Right, so here is the best way on how you can turn on or off your aim assist. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can turn on or off aim assist on Battlefield 6. So first of what you need to do is just simply go to your settings. So here I'm on the menu and I'll just go to settings right away. So once you're on setting tab, you'll see some options like accessibility, gameplay, and many more. But you just simply need to go ahead and go to controller, and once you're inside control settings, on the corner, you'll be able to see edit settings. And if you press the icon which is shows, you just need to press on that. It will take you to your infantry. Now that you're here, you just gotta press on controller settings. Once you press on it, it will bring up the aim. So now you just need to scroll down and find the aim area. And here, as you can see, right here it says infantry aim assist. So you simply need to turn it all the way to the 100 to use aim assist. But if you don't want to use aim assist, just simply take it to 0 and your aim assist will be turned off. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon.